Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine and enjoyed your vacations. Welcome back to our class. Before vacation, we had done metallic minerals, their meaning, types, and distribution. Today, we will study about non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals. A non-metallic mineral is a solid material which is dull and does not have electrical and thermal conductivity. These are a special group of chemical elements from which no new product can be generated if they are melted. These minerals do not present a sheen, means they are not shiny. They do not contain metals which can be extracted. These minerals are found in sedimentary rocks. For example, limestones, mica, mineral fuels, and natural gas are the examples of non-metallic minerals. Distribution of non-metallic minerals. Limestone. It is found in association with rocks composed of calcium carbonates. China and United States are the largest producer of limestone. In India, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Karnataka are the major limestone producing states in India. It is the basic raw material for the cement industries, and limestone is important in the smelting of iron or in the blast furnace. Mica. Major mica producing countries are India, Canada, Russia and USA. In India, mica is mainly produced in Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. It is mainly used in electrical and electronic industries. Coal. China is the largest producer of coal, followed by the United States and Australia. In India, Jharia is the largest coal field, followed by Raniganj. Most important coal fields lie in Jharkhand, Bengal coal belt. It is used in the generation of thermal power and smelting of iron ore. Petroleum. Saudi Arabia, the United States, Iraq, Iran and China are major petroleum producing countries of the world. In India, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Assam are the important petroleum producing regions of India. Petroleum is used in engines of automobiles, railways and aircrafts. Beside the petrochemical industries, its byproducts are used for making fertilizers, synthetic rubber, lubricant, soaps and wax. Natural gas. The important producer of natural gas are the United States, Russia, European Union, etc. The main natural gas producing areas of India are Maharashtra, Gujarat, along the eastern coast of India. Natural gas is used as LPG, means liquid petroleum gas, which is used for cooking. CNG gas means compressed natural gas, is used in vehicles and other means of transport. Let us understand about the matters with the help of this video.
Metals and minerals. Rocks are made of various kinds of minerals. Minerals are crystalline elements that occur naturally in the earth. Some are found on the surface of the earth, like quartz, which has clear, hard, six-sided crystals and is commonly found mixed with sand. For some, we dig under the earth's crust. The process of digging under the earth's crust for minerals is called mining. Some minerals are used to make jewelry and ornaments. They are called gemstones or gems. They are cut, shaped and polished and then mounted in gold and silver. Diamond, one of the costliest gem, is compressed carbon. Gems such as pearls, corals and amber are not natural minerals. They are produced by animals or plants. Some rocks are rich in one particular type of metal. These metal-rich rocks are called ores. For example, we get lead from galena, copper from malachite, iron from hematite, and aluminium from bauxite. Coal and petroleum are other substances that are commonly mined. Petroleum is so important for us that it is also known as liquid gold. Coal is formed from the remains of ancient plant life which got buried under the earth's surface millions of years ago. Under the effect of pressure and high temperature, the buried plant and animal matter gets converted into petroleum. Coal and petroleum are two of the common fuels that we use in day-to-day life. Their quantity is limited, so we should not waste this important natural resource. India has very large coal reserves. Some of the important coal mines are in Dhanbad, Jharkhand, Raniganj, West Bengal, and Neyveli, Tamil Nadu. In India, petroleum is found in Ankleshwar, Gujarat, Digboi, Assam, and Bombay High, Mumbai.
Difference between metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metal in the raw form. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Metallic minerals, in these metals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. These metals are found in sedimentary rocks. They are usually hard and have a shine of their own. Non-metallic minerals are not usually hard and have no shine of their own. Metallic minerals, for examples, iron, copper, bauxite, etc. Mica, limestone, coal, etc. are the example of non-metallic minerals. So students, today we have learned about meaning of non-metallic minerals, distribution of non-metallic minerals, and difference between metallic and non-metallic minerals. Thank you and have a nice day.